Okay, hello Caxton, and welcome to the last celebration assembly of the term. I don't quite know where the last 6 weeks have gone. They've absolutely flown by, and we're now in the very last week of the Christmassy term. So many exciting things are going on this week. So we've got productions, we've got our Christmas lunch, we've got Christmas parties. It's going to be the best week in school, and I know lots of you are really, really excited about it. We've got lots to get through today in Celebration Assembly, which is just wonderful to end the term. So we'll start, as we always do, with our Year 1 certificates. So a big well done to Desia for writing a fantastic letter to Santa, and she's demonstrated resilience. Well done, Desia. Well done to Ruben for rewriting his letter using his phonic knowledge. It's lovely to hear phonics being used, Ruben. Wonderful. And to Luisana for excellent writing of a letter to Santa. Sounds like Year 1 have been very busy. And to George SM for fantastic writing in a letter to Santa as well. So I'm sure Santa's going to be very impressed, Year 1 children. Let's give Year 1 a huge round of applause. Well done, Year 1. Off to Year 2, so we have Daisy Ann for fantastic independent measuring in our DT learning. Well done, Daisy. We've got Sophie J for a fantastic Chris Dingle drawing and explanation. Oh, I'd love to see that, Sophie. Please do bring it down. To Jessica for being a wonderful friend and exemplary role model to her peers. What a lovely thing to receive a certificate for, Jessica. And to Alexander for his amazing maths work. Keep it up, Alexander. Let's give Year 2 a huge round of applause. Well done, Year 2. Off to Year 3, so we have Serin for her fantastic behaviour in class. Doesn't surprise me at all. Always upholding our values, Serin. And to Jensen for his continued effort to improve in all lessons. Wow, Jensen. That's fantastic. Keep it up. And we have Izzy G for excellence for great research using search engines on Robin Hood. So I presume that was with the iPads or in the computing suite, Izzy. So keep it up. And well done to Farrow for demonstrating the community value for stepping into somebody else's shoes and saying their lines in the Christmas production. Wow, Farrow, never have known. Clearly incredibly confident. Keep it up. Let's give Year 3 a huge clap. Well done, Year 3. Off to Year 4. So we have Maggie for being adventurous and imaginative and having imaginative ideas for an invention in English. Oh, Maggie, I'd love to hear what that invention was. And to the whole of Maple class, Mr. O'Malley clearly struggled this week to choose the best learning. So for a fantastic Christmas production, I have to say, Year 3, 4, you all did wonderfully with your Christmas production last week. You really did yourselves proud. And to Finn O for his amazing artistic abilities. You are super talented. Banksy in the making. Oh, Finn, I'd love to see some work for my wow wall. I need some more artwork up there. And we have Charlie FS for always challenging himself in maths lessons and trying his best. So clearly being very resilient, Charlie. Let's give the whole of Year 4 a huge round of applause. Well done, Year 4. Off to Year 5. So we have Emily in Year 5 for her enthusiasm when creating a Christmas advert. Keep it up, Emily. And Lois B for her resilience in all her learning. So Lois, you're trying to be the best you can possibly be by being incredibly resilient. Thank you. And to Archie for brilliant work on perimeter and area. And I know that's something Year 5 have found quite tricky this week. It's really pleasing to hear that Archie's worked hard. And to Nathan in Chestnut class for excellent IT skills using iPads. Well done, Nathan. Let's give Year 5 a huge round of applause. Well done, Year 5. Off to Year 6, we have Temi A for demonstrating excellence when producing shadow artwork. That sounds interesting, Temi. I'd love to see it. We have Eva H for demonstrating community and excellence when investigating shadow art. And I had the pleasure of teaching some of those lessons last week in Year 6, and I was very impressed with the science knowledge of the children. Well done to Ellie May for a fantastic newspaper report covering the mystery of Edwin Drood. And to Mason for also a fantastic newspaper report covering the mystery of Edwin Drood. And I know how much Year 6 have thoroughly enjoyed their learning all about Edwin Drood over the last few weeks. So a big well done to Year 6. Okay, we have the attendance awards this week. So we've got our golden certificates here ready to go to the worthy class. So the best attendance in the infant school with 98% goes to, drum roll, stop, Ash class. Well done, Ash class. And I think that's going to take some beating this week. Have to wait and see. The best attendance in the junior school with 95.6% goes to, drum roll, stop, Polly class. So Ash class, you are the worthy winners of our golden envelopes and they will be coming your way. Well done, Ash class. Okay, tidiest classrooms this week. So the tidiest classroom in the infant school goes to, drum roll, stop, Elm class. Big well done to Elm class, very impressive. And the tidiest classrooms in the junior school goes to, drum roll, stop, Year 6. Well done, Year 6. Second week in a row. Very, very pleasing. Okay, I have got some apologies to make because I've had these certificates sat in my little cupboard for a few weeks, and every time I've gone to grab the golden book ready for assembly, I've forgotten that they were there. So a big well done to Tamsin in Year 1 for reaching her bronze certificate, and to Joshua in Year 1 for also achieving his bronze, and to Malachi in Year 1 for achieving his bronze. I do apologise, children. Like I said, they've been sat there for a few weeks and silly Mrs. Aldenbury kept missing them. Okay, we have got a reading award to give out now. And this is for the class who had the most home reads last week. And we have got a reading trophy that we need to hunt down. I don't know if it's in my office or somewhere else. Need to find it. So the class with the most home reads last week with 118 home reads, which is a great number to beat next week, is Willow class. Well done, Willow. So a couple of classes have got some catching up to do, particularly Year 3. Want to see some more home reads, please, next week if possible. Okay, now, over the last week, I have had the pleasure in seeing so many children about outdoor achievements, not outdoor, sorry, at home achievements. And I've seen lots of children around swimming, I've seen children around karate and dance and so on, and it's something we're really trying to promote at the moment at school, talents inside and outside of school. So I've got a few certificates to show here, and I know I've seen even more children than this, but these are the ones that have brought them in today. So we've got Harvey, who's achieved 100 metres in his swimming. We've got Poppy, who's achieved 200. And we've got Emily, who's also achieved 200. And I know I've seen Addison's, I know I've seen Nellie and Sam's. Today, Matthew's sent me his as well in Year 6. I saw Lola's the other week. We have got some really talented swimmers in school, so watch out, mini youth games. I've also got here some dance certificates that I wanted to show you. So we've got a certificate here for Rosie. Rosie in Year 6, and we've got 3 certificates for Rosie actually, and it's for her progression in all classes, for beating it together with Tipso dance. Oh, I'm intrigued by that, Rosie. And for great effort on Zoom. So a huge well done to Rosie. He's also got this lovely trophy. And also we have got some medals. Wow, Rosie, such an achievement. And then we've also got some certificates here for Emily, who is Rosie's sister, again for great effort on Zoom, beating it together with Tipso Dance, and finally the Junior Performing Arts Award 2021. Wow, Emily, be very proud of yourself. Well done. It's such a pleasure to see so many children achieving wonderful things outside of school, so please do keep sending them in because it's something I'm very proud of. Now, the Golden Book. We've got lots of names in the Golden Book this week, which is amazing. So let's make a start. So we've got Alfie H for brilliant place value knowledge. We've got George C for his excellent sonnet writing. We've got Mason D for demonstrating great respect for his badminton opponents, as recognised by the head teacher of another school. Oh, wow, Mason, that's phenomenal. Archie B for excellent brailing in maths, finding area and perimeter. To Jess G for amazing maths work, area and perimeter. To James G for truly incredible progress with his independent reading. We're really proud. Ella F for being an incredibly supportive member of our community, encouraging younger children during their performance. How lovely, Ella. To Ruben J for excellent use of his phonics to write the letters to Santa. To Mason again. Mason, wow, you had a good week last week. Excellent news report about Edwin Drood, packed with great vocabulary. Valerie B for a super news report about Edwin Drood with great sentence openers to improve cohesion. To Jessia K for a lovely letter to Santa. To Bodie U for a lovely letter to Santa as well. To Jensen B for superb sun hat and sunglass designs to protect them from the sun. And also to Ollie J for superb sun hat and sunglass designs to protect them from the sun. And last but not least, someone I've just seen this morning, to Johnny L for his brilliant effort with his home reading. He's made such progress and is reading more regularly at home. So well done, Johnny. Really, really proud of you. Children, this is the last celebration assembly of the term, but also when we get back after Christmas, our first celebration assembly will be the values assembly, so there won't be any general certificates, and it's really important we focus on those children that have upheld the values. So have a lovely week in school. I'm very excited. I get to see the early years production today, hence why I'm recording this now. So have the best week, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.